In this edition of Fintech Friday, we are going to talk about the importance of open banking and what it means for markets in North America, Europe, and Asia.
Can you tell us what open banking is and what it's all about?
So, open banking as a concept was first brought in the European Union 3 years back with the vision that the customer should own their own financial data, their data in their bank accounts, in their other financial products that they use. And then EU actually came out with the legislation last year, which has to be implemented by September of 2019, giving customers an access to their own data.
What are some of the techniques that traditional banks can take in order to prepare themselves for the open banking future?
So the challenges that the banks will face, especially incumbent banks, would be that a lot of their customer base data will get exposed very quickly. The other challenge is that how that data will be handled, nobody knows right now. The third big challenge is that the non-incumbent banks and non-banks and fintechs are going to attack the best in class in that market.
It seems like open banking has been driven by regulators in Europe and Asia. Is it necessary? Can there be a free market approach to open banking?
So open banking is not only something that is being driven by regulators. I think the customers are ready for that. They like the idea, and they also like the idea that they can own their own data and they can use that data as they like it, and that also opens more access to better products for them, more transparency, and also lower cost. In my view, the winning strategy for the banks would be that if the banks can make platforms which are very easily configurable to make it a very customized experience for the customers. That's very important. Because if you don't have the configurability, trying to make a customized experience for customers is impossible to do today. And also the ability, because you don't know what new data sets will come.
Now, Biz2Credit, some would say, is on the cutting edge in open banking. What can you reveal about what we're experiencing as a company?
So Biz2Credit is doing a lot of work now with banks in European Union and in Asia. And what we are seeing is that those are the two markets which are at a cutting edge of open banking. And I think we are actually at that stage where we can now go in and help a lot of banks and FIs to actually take these learnings and run with them. My take is open banking is the biggest revolution to hit the banking space in the last 50 years. It will level the playing field, leading to unbundling of products and services that banks provide. And for customers, it will be a better choice and also more transparency in what they get.